1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Hi. I swear, if I have to stare at my phone one more second, I'm going to lose. Tell me about it. This weekend is a total bust, nothing to do. Everything is boring. Every notification is a disappointment. Even TikTok is painful. We call play board games. Okay, bad idea. So what we're gonna do? Wait, I have an idea. Remember the Sinulog Festival? It's happening today. Yeah, but we're not there. I know, but they are showing it on TV. We can watch the dance competition and bet on who we think will win. Okay, that's surprisingly less boring. Alright, let's do it. I bet San Nicolas Moon will win. What? But they did a great job. You're right, it was incredible. Yeah, even though they did not win. That's way more fun than doing nothing. Totally, we had great time together. On who will? I bet San Nicolas.
Balik. 1, 2, 3.